It is not how hard you hit it, but it is how you respond or how you get back when you get hit hard. This is a quote from Rocky Bilbao. Rocky is a kickboxing movie by John Rambo. In that movie, he played the character of Rocky Bilbao. So, in the movie, he was just an unknown kickboxer who rose to fame. A lot of kids used to follow him running when he's going to train. Whenever he's going to shop or markets, kids move around him to greet him because he was already famous. Now he was posed with a challenge to fight the world's toughest kickboxer. The fight was not an easy fight. But at the end, when he won, he said, it's not how hard you hit, but it is how you respond when you get hit hard. This is because during the fight, almost several times he was hit hard onto the floor. Many people believed that he was going to fail that kickboxing match. But at the end, he emerged victorious. Definitely this quote means that it is not how you keep doing your things. At times in life, it is not how hard you put your effort. At times, it is how you respond to the efforts that have been put against you. People who may fight you, or situations that may fight you, maybe losing someone dear to you, or maybe somebody trying to fight your personal business, to put down your company. It is not how hard, it's not the effort that you put in the progress of the company, but it is the effort that you will put in response to the effort that was put against you. Thank you very much.